Sorry, it's dark in here. I'm here today to show you fake pottery class. Now, what you want to do in fake pottery class is you want to turn this ball like that. And put your hands lightly on it. As you can see, I'm using a mouse on a book. Pretty creative, right? Okay. Well, here's my video. Just let it spin. Oops, sorry, I hit the camera. So, try this. See how long it takes you to like count the seconds when you spin it, how long you can hold it there with your hands on it. Comment, tell me how you did with this. Try it. It's fun. My hands feel massaged. Yeah, massaged. You can probably hear that in the background, but yeah, it's just a bit of kind of people are these Sims talking their little language that no one understands of the backward language. You know, one time we were able to make out a sentence. Forget what they said though. That's fine. Just keep practicing with us. See how many seconds or minutes you can do this for. Well, I think I actually look better in the dark. My hair looks black. Well, that's all. Mouse on a Book bids you goodbye.